Multiplex Group is an Indian-based agri-input manufacturer and supplier company, popularly known for the excellence in manufacturing world-class agri-inputs since 1974 and regarded as total solution providers. Since the inception, we have been a concept company, always rising to the growing needs in the agricultural sector. We continuously research and innovate products to address the real-time concerns in crop management and to promote sustainable agriculture. We produce quality planting materials for indigenous timber species for agroforestry model development. We are committed to manufacture world-class DGCA-approved drones. We are conducting drone pilot training in our DGCA-approved remote pilot training organization. We also offer agriculture drone spray services. Catering to the growing needs in the agriculture sector, we are transforming traditional engineering through electric, autonomous and vision-based technologies in the brand name Bulwark Mobility. Further, we have a sensor and satellite-based crop management solution in the brand name of Euctix. We have been creating entrepreneurs and agri-extension experts in our premier institute, GPS Institute of Agriculture Management. Multiplex, being a concept company, focuses 360 degrees in agri-education, research, agri-input manufacturing and marketing, extension activities and offering new age technologies for the betterment of the farming community in India and overseas. Multiplex Group is known for its excellence in product development and services and regarded as total solution provider.